Today I'm going to address a very important and frequently asked question. What if a bracelet or a crystal breaks? Firstly, there are various reasons responsible for the breakage of the bracelet. It could be either the elastic has gone weak and worn out over the period of time and it breaks, or how you handle it also plays an important role. Plus, each one of us has our own personal energy and bodily secretions, and all of that also affect. So there is no clear cut reason why it breaks. At times it just breaks while wearing, when it is just a few days only that you've got the crystal. So first thing is, don't be fearful. There is nothing to fear. There is no bad omen or negative energy behind this. It is just that either it is that there was some kind of a heavy or negative energy and the crystals have protected you. It has taken the impact on itself. So that means that the crystals are working for you. Or it could be that the purpose is solved. For whatever purpose you were wearing that bracelet, it is done. It has done its work, and now it is no longer required. So in that case, you can just replace it with new one, whatever is the requirement that time, and the old one can be sent to Mother Earth, buried in the soil. Even the broken ones, if you feel you don't want to use it, put it in the soil. Mostly I recommend, if you feel that connection, if you feel that the crystals are working for you, you can simply restring it and cleanse it, charge it. It is ready to be worn. You can also send it to me. I'll do that and send it back to you, or you can get it done from anywhere and wash it. Send me a picture through distance Reiki. I'll charge it for you. So it is that simple. So I hope a big myth has been cleared today, that there is nothing to worry or fear if your bracelets or your crystal in any form breaks or chips.